Do I do it? Maybe. Might be worth it. I'll go super slow. If one of your friends is a motovlogger or a vlogger of any sort, and you don't take your time to bust their balls, you're freaking slacking, bro. Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vlog, as we are cruising in Queens. We are on 31st something rather, and I'm way overdressed, way overgeared. Probably should have taken off a layer, and I forgot my crib. My crib is back. But I don't dare. I do not dare. So, welcome to another vlog, and this one is going to be a gas tank question. And I'm on this thick, busy little highway area here. Busy little street. What is this, 31st? There's so much food around here, bro. Like, I'm in food mecca right now. I'm in food mecca. But first and foremost, I want to give a huge thank you to Mitchell Brown. Mitchell Brown is the latest and greatest Patreon supporter, because I have a Patreon. Go down to the link below in the description. That's where you'll find the link to it. And Mitchell actually has his own YouTube channel that he started not too long ago. I'm gonna have a link to that below in the description as well. So oops, sorry. Anyway, so thank you so much for your support, and I do plan on putting out more exclusive videos up on there, but for now it's just, you know, for now it's basically like a tip jar. Oh, I've been to this school before. Interesting. Holy shit. Yeah, I need to get off the street. This is way too much. This street is a little too busy for my taste. Whatever. All right, Mitchell, thank you. And let's get to the gas tank question. Space Rocket has the question, and it's about to turn green, of course. Please don't pull in, you son of a bitch. All right, I'm gonna go to the left. I need to, oh, no turn to the left, fuck. Like an extra little lane for motorcycles and whatnot. We'll turn to the left. I wonder why. It's okay. Sorry guys, we will get to the question in a minute or two. I do have to navigate the parameter. Ooh, should have went that way. That was cute as fuck. Alright, okay. Next turn off, getting off the street. This street is a little too intense for me. Plus these guys are not particularly taking advantage of the gaps the traffic has given them. Ooh, that was a turn to the left. No, it wasn't. There we go. We're just all flowing. We're basically all on scooters. Do I dare take a right? No. I went left. Shit. What's happening here? What does left take me? Why is this so confusing here? It's alright. We'll just do this. It's gonna be alright. Alright, let's start the question. Space Rocket asked me, does motovlogging make you feel weird? Is it hard talking to GoPro near people? And look, there's a motorcycle joining, by the way. Does vlogging make me feel weird? Yes. Yes. Is it weird vlogging next to other people? Yes. So that's two yeses to both your questions. But let's elaborate a little bit, right? Because it's not just it's not that black and white. Ooh, that's fucking dope, whatever that was. I like that. It's like a weird little fucking basketball court, whatnot. All right, let's elaborate. Let's discuss. Let's dissect. Does motovlogging make you feel weird? It only makes me feel weird in those weird, because it's about like how you're feeling. Like, you know, like you wake up one day and you feel a little like your confidence is lacking. You're feeling a little self-conscious. You feel a little like, and then you realize that you have all these videos online. You have all this YouTube presence and Instagram, and like you're talking to all these people, and you're like, wow, people probably think I'm a real fucking douchebag. Like I'm a real loser. Like, why am I doing this? This is embarrassing. You know what I mean? It's straight up embarrassing. So those moments, it is weird. Or sometimes when I'm a Two Wheel Tuesday or like a gathering or something, and I really just want to chill, but I really want to make a video, and it's like this forced situation. Ooh, I bet that's delicious, that kebab house. So it's one of those like weird situations where, you know, you gotta force it. Not good. Not good. Those are weird. In the videos, you can sense in the video that it's a weird video. So, it also, like, I mean, when my friend, all my friends make fun of me for being a vlogger, obviously. You know what I mean? That's, you have to. If one of your friends is a motovlogger or a vlogger of any sort, and you don't take your time to bust their balls, you're freaking slacking, bro. What are you doing, bro? You gonna go? No? Maybe, kinda? You're slacking. You need to bust their balls. The balls need to be busted. Man, there's so much food around here. Popeyes and Taco Bell. Alright, I gotta get ahead of all these people, because this is getting a little too personal. So yes, it is weird. It is strange. Oops. Whoa. My boy's gonna run the motherfucking... Everybody, look at him. Go, go, go. You got this. Jiminy crickets. Fucking A. Ooh. This is a wild ass fucking area around here. Jesus Christ. Excuse me, sir. You really... Oh my god. Jiminy fucks. Folks are just balls out. Balls out. Look at this. Fucking K-turns, U-turns. Like, what the fuck? Did I miss something? Sweet bananas. We'll take a left here. Ooh, I always wanted to come to these pyramids here to ride as a skateboarder or as a BMXer. The spot is dope as fuck. So yeah, it is weird. It is weird. It's kind of like, especially when you're mumbling. You know what? That's why, like, people who do like food reviews and other shit like that, they got the real balls, because that is the most awkward thing of all. You know, you're sitting there, you're like in a restaurant, and you're supposed to be loud. Like, that's why, like, I even start speaking quieter. Like when I'm doing like 202s, when I'm talking about bikes, I do feel self-conscious, and I do speak a little quieter at times when it's you know, things get heavy. So it is weird. Is it weird talk? Yeah. So that answers both those questions. It is weird. It is strange. I love it. I love it so much. I am completely a fan. Like days like today, I woke up and I just wanted to go for a ride, right? I don't particularly have a destination. I don't have a goal. My only goal was to, because I had to review these gloves. I had to do a video to review these gloves, because I was asked to do it within a week, because obviously the timing is important, because it's Christmas and winter and all that. But beyond that, just chilling. And I always feel like I want to get food, but then I'm not sure what I want and not sure where to go. And this is Astoria, where you literally have pretty much all the food, all of it. Look at this beautiful place. This place is fucking magical. Look at that. bridge, man. I love it. Nobody behind me, so I can just cruise at 1 mile per hour and just enjoy myself. My only other plan, I actually got a turkey. Tomorrow I'm going to my buddy Bird's house to eat a turkey. And then I also got a turkey for myself. I don't really cook turkey because there's an event, there's a holiday. Not a holiday, yeah. Long story short, I don't usually cook. Last time I tried to cook a turkey, it was a bad day. Not because of the turkey, but I do have a turkey in my fridge. So I'm actually going to cook it, and I'm not inviting anybody over. It's just going to be for me and for leftovers and for meat. And I'm so excited, actually. I've never, you know, cooked a whole turkey just for meat, just for sandwiches. You know? It's going to be interesting. Look at this. Beautiful. Pictures here don't do justice. They just don't do justice. I'm just gonna pull over here for a second. I could take a look-see. Oh man, what a spot. That says bikes. Look at that. Wonder if I can do it. I'm guessing motorcycles are not allowed. I've got that boat train over there. Gorgeous. All right. Do I do it? Maybe. Might be worth it. I'll go super slow. Go super slow. Just want to get this view. Oh, beautiful. This park, man, I gotta come here. These rocks, man. This whole spot is gorgeous. Sorry, everybody. I know you're probably not used to seeing the car here. What a town. I wonder if what I'm doing is highly illegal, or if it's okay. That's the skate park right there. We're about to find out. Beautiful bridge. Okay. Might be okay after all. Beautiful. And I'm going straight. Just like that. Committed a fucking crime. What is this shit? Oh, brother. Oh, brother. It's a weird little confusing part over here. Not too stressed though. We'll figure it out. Ooh. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Beautiful houses. Everybody's taking a right. I'm guessing that's the hot ticket. And there we'll take a left. And with any luck at all, we will find a new place we've never been. If this fucking Nissan Rogue decides to make this turn. Guess not. There we go. Now we're chilling again. Beautiful day. Did I answer this question? Ooh, look at that Chrysler. That's cute. Did I answer that question? I think so. I think I did a pretty good job of breaking it down. I think. People are chilling over here. What's that? A video of some sort, I'm guessing? A video shoot? Okay, alright. Did I reset the gas meter? I did. Look at this cute little deli right there. It's fucking adorable. Straight up adorable. And there's also Costco, so I can get some pizza. I love this area, man. I love this area. Come on. Give me that green. Madness. You can do it, ma'am. Go for it. Go for it! Alright. Cute balconies over there. Look at this. This is all gonna get torn down, guarantee you. Awesome little park right here as well.